Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest Memorydex box that I've created. This is so easy, guys. It's going to literally take just a few minutes. The only thing that you're going to need is a scoreboard. Don't have a scoreboard, it's not the end of the world. You can use a ruler, scissors, glue, and I'm going to use a 6x8 paper. So Crate paper makes these pads often. This is where I tore it out from. So I'm going to use a 6x8, and I'm sorry, just ignore the glitter bomb in here. It is impossible to get out. I've been wiping it and it will not come out. So I'm going to start with this 6x8 paper, and I am going to score all four sides at 1.75. I measured this pretty close to the Memorydex size, so they fit. Oh, sorry about that, the camera. I'm not used to this new tripod that I got. It fits pretty snug in there, so I do have an alternative measurement. If you have those gaudy ones, then you can use an alternative side just to make sure they fit. So as you can see, I just did this side, this side, this side, this side. So I'm just going to score it. Oh no, glitter everywhere. There's glitter going on here, always. Okay, and that pink. Just ignore that. I didn't want my nails to look like horrible before I got on here, and I think they're still wet. Okay, so anyway, now all I'm gonna do is cut these 4 lines. So I've cut that. I'm going to cut over here. Yep, that's in my nail polish. Sorry about that. Okay, and this is going to complete your box. So for me, what I like to do just to make this easy is I just fold these in. And you can use glue, tape, anything. I just kind of do that, and then I make sure it's the inside because you don't want this on the outside. I'll show you. So when you fold this, it's going to come up just like that. So easy, right? Now if you don't put them, it's going to look like that, and it's not going to look nice. So you want to make sure the tabs are inside. And that is your box. Now, the only, oops, sorry, let me push that down. The only thing that I did a little different on mine in the front here is I added a little bit of a border punch, and I used, let me see who makes this. Oh, it's Martha Stewart. I use this a lot in some of my projects. But I don't know why I didn't think to do this, but before you do that, if you were going to do that, you want to punch this before you glue it. It's very light glue that I have, so I'm not too worried about my punch getting destroyed. I'm just going to punch this. So just to show you. Okay, so I missed a little snag. Okay, so when you close this, if you don't, okay, if you do that, you see how it sticks out because it's shorter now. What I did is I just cut these into triangles. I'm gonna cut this side too. Just the two front, and you can go all the way around, but I was worried about punching it being a little uneven, and I didn't want to risk that on my box after I made it. Okay, so now that you have your squares, I'm going to fold this back up, and the glue is still on there from earlier. Oh my goodness, just cut my square the wrong way. It'll still stick this way. And there's your box. The only other thing that I did was just add a little bit of, you can add some washi or glitter, and then some thicker dyes or thickers and die cuts. So let me show you just how, so it's really going to fit just perfect in there with no room. I believe this is it. Is this it? If you want this to be a little bigger, my measurement was 1.75 all the way around. Do 1.5, and that will give you plenty of room. If you need more than that, which I don't think you do, because the 1.75 actually is a pretty good bit, then go even lower than that. But I think that should be good. Anyways, hope you enjoy the tutorial. I actually have quite a few tutorials coming that I think are exciting and fun and that you guys will enjoy. And I'll get back to you soon. Thanks. Bye.